Like anyone who's coming new to Bangalore now, so they can even know the city, or anyone who's
Correct.
already in the city, they can know that city.
नहीं अच्छा है, it's actually creative thing to do.
So yeah, please tell me your name. So what do you do?
So I'm Harshit and currently I'm studying BTech from RV College of Engineering.
Super.
So it's my 4th year now, about to end about July. Pretty good, like initially 2-3 years were good, but this year it's very much hot. A lot plays a factor, like see, there was a time when Bangalore used to be having 270 lakes. Obviously 270 won't remain, but say that there are only 15-20 lakes, and that too officially if we say which is in a good condition, there are at least 5 or 7 only. So I guess reviving the lakes would be a good strategy to make sure that weather remains same.
They are only focused on the growth.
I guess Bangalore has grown a lot. Now
A
it's
lot.
the time to focus on reverse engineering of
ये जो ग्रोथ हुआ है बैंगलोर, इट इज लाइक ओबेस बैंगलोर, मतलब बहुत हाई ग्रोथ हुआ है. इट इज लाइक ओबेसिटी लेवल की ग्रोथ हुआ है.
Now 10 years back, relatives of mine are living here from a very long time. So they say that 10 years back Whitefield was actually a very big jungle. Within 10 years it has transformed from a jungle to properly
IT, major IT
urbanized
sector.
place.
Yes.
So yeah, that makes a very big difference.
So what makes you happy in life?
I guess traveling is something which I always feel very happy about. Although I have not traveled much, even for small trips like to Coorg, to Ooty, to Chikmagalur, I have always felt happy. A number of treks I have done. Mulyangiri trek I have done.
Mullayanagiri.
Yeah, which is one of the very known and very popular treks. 2 important treks I am aiming to do in future is Savandurga Hills. Head towards Mysore Road, there is a Kunti Betta. So like yeah, traveling is something that makes you feel happy, and I guess the reason because feel more interactive with nature. That is the time you'll feel the presence and importance of nature in your life.
Correct.
When I first came to Bangalore, I used to feel that even fan is too much. For the first time, I'm feeling that I need an AC, which I used to only feel in my hometown because that is in the coastal area. Maybe since the creation of India, it's hot because it's in coastal area. Same goes with Chennai, same goes with Kolkata.
Correct.
So yeah, that is one aspect of life to remain happy, is to just exploring the nature.
To be with the nature.
Yeah, that is like, if you love the nature, nature will love you back. But if you
बहुत
will
बढ़िया.
play with nature, nature won't leave you.
जो ग्रोथ हुआ है बैंगलोर से, and also when you say about the nature,
Yeah.
when I was in my school, which is इस रूट में ये जो है, this particular junction, this side is सोमेश्वर नगर, this is लाल बाग, आगे जाएंगे तो लाल बाग, अशोक पिलर मिलेगा. ये सब बैंगलोर की एंड है, मतलब इट इज एक्चुअली इनफैक्ट अभी साउथ एंड करके मेट्रो स्टेशन है, दैट इज एक्चुअली बैंगलोर साउथ एंड, दैट्स
South end
लिटरल.
circle.
यस, दैट इज
Yeah.
लिटरल साउथ एंड ऑफ बैंगलोर.
Correct. So yeah, and if you'll go by data, a rigorous lockdown and rigorous movement was for one complete year. Just see that in that 1 year, on a global level, ozone repleted almost 30%.
There was
So,
actually in fact a lot of healing happened.
yeah.
जो भी हमने डैमेजेस किया था,
I guess everyone on an individual level should do something or the other.
Yes.
From their end. Like people use fridge. We have to order a lot of things. We have to keep it in vegetables, fruits and everything. But if you just take an example of water, if you keep it in a vessel which is made up of sand and mud, that will be very cold, putting it in fridge.
Yeah.
Because even that releases CFCs. Using cooler. People should actually use cooler, and that
Okay.
too the cooler which are made up of tin or steel.
or
So
something with terracotta.
that will give you natural cooling.
Correct.
And believe me that AC, when you're more dependent of AC, you will slowly realize it starts affecting your bones. That will never happen if you use a cooler, because like I am from Kolkata, but if I'll talk about my native roots, everything is from UP. Very much it's UP and specifically Lucknow and Prayagraj side. So people there use a lot of coolers only. Very less frequent you'll find people using AC. Healing will take time. Someone builds a 5-story flat. It will take almost 4-5 days to completely destroy it, but it will take almost a year or 2 to be rebuilt it.
सही बात.
So that similar example goes with nature, and nature, that's what I say, that if someone starts to do something on an individual basis itself, they'll definitely see a change. So that's how micromanagement or micro waste management a concept.
Exactly,
comes.
you actually can't complain the hierarchy or the authority.
Correct.
कोई छोटे मोटे initiatives हमारी तरफ से लेना पड़ेगा.
Definitely.
So usually I don't have any particular topic. I want people to take the conversation ahead. I'm actually interested to learn everything. मेरे
Yeah,
को
definitely. I
Yeah.
guess everyone should be in an open mind status to learn everything.
Yeah.
Because it's not about who the person is. Definitely
Yes,
everyone brings some individuality with them.
So basically, जो भी आता है, I talk to them. See, I really love the conversation what you started now because I didn't tell you to talk about ये जो nature, everything, but I really love it. COVID showed us kind of an example that just in 3 months or 4 months, we didn't do anything. Like it was kind of a self-healing. So the best example is to do nothing, like just leave it as it is. So what's one thing that you want to change in Bangalore if you want to change something in Bangalore?
See, I feel that Bangalore is still in that position. It can retain what it was used to be famous for. See, like Kolkata is always famous for being city of joy no matter what. Visit Kolkata, you'll see every month there is something or the other as a celebration or a festival going on.
Yeah. I'm a big fan of Satyajit Ray.
Satyajit Ray.
Yeah.
Satyajit Ray though is like heart of Kolkata. People literally worship him as a person if someone wants to go in that field. Very much known for Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. So Kolkata has its own history, its own crisp, its own flavor of sweets. For which it's famous for festivals which are being celebrated here apart from politics and everything. Really an amazing place. But yes, again, if you compare the contrary of being in Bangalore, being in Kolkata, there are definitely pros and cons everywhere. Every state, every region has its own culture.
Yeah, definitely. Actually, in fact, it belongs to every person.
Yeah.
Matlab,
And I guess this is a field that gives success with a lot of pain.
definitely.
And it's good that you have that willpower, that you are happy to make sure that okay, no matter how much pain is there, but anyways I have to be with there, because you have that zeal of your dream, following your passion, and if you have that, then sooner or later success will definitely come.
My biggest inspiration is Satyajit Ray, Apu trilogy. The main character, how he travels from his childhood, उसके sister के बाद boarding, शादी करता है तो new city में ये life कैसे जाता है. It is of complete failures, a loss
Yeah,
and
his
everything.
struggle is like, even a book could be small to showcase how failures he has seen in his life.
Yeah.
His work literally shows that he resisted in his life. He is genuinely a very, very great person.
I really like Satyajit Ray's even calligraphy जो करता है, graphic. He was actually a graphic designer for and newspapers, I think, journal, book cover designing sub. I really like his graphic works, what he does.
Yeah, he is amazing person. But yeah, you're correct. Many people don't know about him. But people who know actually know who he was.
Something is really important in life. What would you say? This is important. You should focus on this.
Coming out of experience, happiness is very much important. Like, it doesn't matter what you do. The thing is that we should just stop comparing everything, because it's not just about that we should say that okay, someone is getting much better, why not. I guess we should just think that it might be that this is best for you. Maybe if you are thinking that yeah, this is what I feel, is that no matter what work we are doing, we should just be happy and respectful for our and anyone other's work, no matter what they do, what we do.
That's
Nothing
really
should
nice.
be judged ever.
No, it's really nice. It's very big thing, but the big thing happens with your small decision.
Definitely.
It's really nice.
The day you realize this, a lot of problems never happen for you. Itself. You stop comparing. You stop feeling that okay, this comparison should even exist or not.
Yes.
Yeah.
This is your drop location, right?
Yeah, correct.
It was really nice talking to you.
Yeah, definitely. It was an amazing session. Thank you so much. Yeah.